Hello everyone, so today I will explain how I install Dehancer on my Windows and make it work in my DaVinci Resolve. And also this step works for whichever host you have, be it Final Pro, Premiere Pro, DaVinci, is the same step. Also you can use Studio to get 10% off. So first thing we do is we visit the website, which is Dehancer.com. If you have an account already, you can click login. And if you don't have an account, you can click sign up, put in your email and your password, you create an account. Once you log in or sign up, you click the download. So this is the download center. This step works for each of any host you're using. You can select any product you want. For me, I'm using the Pro. Then once you click show, it shows you the release notes, the latest version they have. And also you're going to select which of the operating system you're using. For me, I'm using Windows OS, so I'm going to select this one, which file location you want to save it to. For me, I already downloaded it already, so I'm going to skip that steps. So once it's download finished, you can locate the file location, and right now it's on zip file. You can click on extract all, or right click and click this extract all. Once you click the extract all, it brings you this prompt and you can click the extract. So we're going to wait. So just a quick one, we have the CUDA and we have the OpenCL. So if you're using an NVIDIA GPU, you choose this CUDA. If you're using an AMD or Intel, or you're not sure, just choose this one. For me, I have the NVIDIA graphics GPU, so I choose the first one. Then you right click, you click open. So if you see this prompt, it's just more like a Windows security. So you can click on more information and run anyway. Once you click run anyway, it's going to give you this page of installation. You click the next, you accept the license. So because I have it already, that's why it's showing me this prompt. And now it's going to show ready to install. You'll click install. So once you're on this page, you can put your registration email and password, click the login to activate. If you have the license key, put your email and click the activate, or your license URL to activate it. So now all we have to do is to click our DaVinci or whichever host you're using. A way for you to verify if it's been installed, you go to your color page, which is right here. You go to your effect page and you can see it right here all the way down. So you're going to see it right here under the film emulation all the way down. So right now I have the Dehancer Pro 7.4. In the later video I'm going to explain how to use it. So you can scroll down and click this check profiles. This is you updating different films they have. So right now we have 63 film, 186 cameras and 2 print media. You click OK. You can click the Alt button and click on any of these to collapse it. And these are all the functions you can use within the Dehancer Pro. So if you want a specific type of film look, Dehancer is there for you. So my next video I'll be explaining how to use the Dehancer in DaVinci. And also if you're just using the plugin, don't forget to use Studio for 10% off. So thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to click like and subscribe button.